Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to do something outside of educational content. Today I'll be going to my office for the first time. If you guys are not aware, I'm currently working in a remote job. So we don't have much of office at my place. This is the first time where I will go to the office and interact with all the colleagues, and let's see how it goes. And also, if you guys still have not watched my free IIMB generative AI course, so the link will be in the description or in the I button. So click and watch that one and enroll to the course. Let's start with the office vlog. I left home, got stuck in Bangalore traffic as usual, but somehow made it to the office. Here's the office building. After we all got to know each other, we decided to play snookers without the stick. Batch 2 headed over to play Carom, where Afan Bhai and Nidun were battling it out. Lunchtime, we hit to the cafeteria where the food is free. Here's what I grabbed for myself. Post lunch, we played some games with Afan Bhai giving us some motivational tips and how to win. Fueled by Afan Bhai's motivation, we jumped into the games. First we stood in a circle to introduce ourselves. Then the coordinators explained a hilarious game. We were split into teams. Everyone wore earphones and one person had to do a lip sync of a sentence for the other person to guess. It was a super fun event. Here are some clips.
My name is Manu. I am not a terrorist. Not a terrorist. One more time. My name is Manu. Manu. I am not a terrorist. I am not a terrorist. Terrorist. My name is Manu. I am not a terrorist. My name is Manu. I am not a terrorist. I am not a terrorist.
The next day at the office, Ashish Bhai joined us and cracked some jokes with Yuvraj Bhai. This is a spot where we played all the games. As always, Afan Bhai was caught up in some meeting. Today's game was treasure hunt. The coordinators laid out the rules. They started handing out the clues for the team captains. We had some math formulas to solve, which our IIT guy and Nidun handled it like a pro. Some clues involved tasks we had to complete to get the next hint. First up, we played Carom, then moved on to snookers. The final task was nailed by Nidun, sealing our victory. Next day we visited this beautiful spot in the office where everyone rocked in ethnic wear. This is Nidun in his stylish lungi. Next, the coordinators explained a game where we had to guess an object based on the song that is being played. After that, everyone broke out into the lungi dance. We stepped out to catch some fresh air. Here's Afan Bhai smiling and Nidun trying to act decent, and this is Vijay Anna, one of the sweetest persons I have met. Next day we had a team lunch where they took to some restaurant. The public transport was packed with our team. Lunch was at this amazing place. This is what I had at the restaurant. There were so many dessert options at this place. I loved it. And here's the ice cream where we made all the flavors into one, and it tasted really nice. Then we went to play some cricket in the turfs. We decided the teams accordingly. And Pradeep sir bowled an amazing delivery and it's out.